How to remove original sound from TikTok. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this homepage where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the plus icon at the bottom. You will then be taken to the camera page. Hold the capture button for a couple of seconds to record a video. Then tap on this arrow icon to bring down a menu. Now tap on the edit button right here. Since there isn't any option to remove the audio, you can just mute the audio from here. If you want to add music to this video, you can also do that from here. Keep in mind that TikTok doesn't have a direct feature to remove the original audio, but you can always mute your video here in TikTok. So, by following these steps, you can remove original sound from TikTok.